Hello friends, this is Sylvie from sylviestamps.com, and today I have a simple card that you can easily make with just a few supplies. I'm going to be using the cloud punch. You could use another shape if you would like. I've chosen the Tahitian Tide ink pad. You can use any color you want really, and a blending brush that works with it. And then I have several pieces of cardstock here. So, and a sentiment with black ink, as well as a die cut. So here's what we're going to do first. First, we're going to use on a scrap piece of cardstock. I am just going to punch a cloud. Okay, and I'm going to use that as my stencil. So I'm going to use a piece of basic white cardstock. That is, what did I say? 4.5 by 3.25. Okay, and I'm going to put my cloud more or less in the middle like that, and then I'm going to use my blending brush and blend my cloud here. Now you always have a little darker when you first start with the brush, so you want to keep that in mind. Okay, and then I'm going to move it, well, something like that here. No two cards will be exactly the same, so that is a beautiful part of this card here. Okay, let's do another cloud right about here. Oops, let's make sure it doesn't move. Okay, there we go. I need to hold the two pieces of cardstock here. So you can use any kind of shape that you have, that you could die cut or that you could punch out or anything like that to make this this kind of a card. So I'm going to make another cloud right about here. And you can use any color you want. In fact, I was making so many of them. I'll show them to you later. I could not stop myself. I kept making them. And then let's do maybe a little one right about here. Okay, I think I'm happy with that, and I have a space here for my sentiment. So I took my sentiment from the Hope and Prayer stamp set, and we're going to use "You Are in My Prayers." You can use whatever sentiment you want, and I'm using just a plain Memento black ink here. I'm going to stamp it right here. All right, and then I'm going to add a little bit of liquid glue on the back of my die cut butterfly here. And put it going this way. All right, okay, then I'm going to turn that over. Put some adhesive on the back, and I have a piece of basic black cardstock that is just 1/8 of an inch larger than my main piece here. And then I'm going to take my card base and fold it in half, just a thick basic white cardstock. Okay, let's move that out of here so I can properly use my bone folder and get a good fold here on both sides. Okay, and then I'm going to put dimensionals on the back here. Okay, so here's my card, and I'm going to put this here, and then I'm going to add a few of the iridescent pearls just for a little bit of bling. Okay, let's put one here. Let's put another one. And where do we want it? Right about here. And let's put one here. There we go. All right, so there we go. Just a few minutes and you have a beautiful card here. So here's some of the colors that I have used. I've used Fresh Freesia, which works really good for sympathy card. I've used Polished Pink and Coastal Cabana. So you can see with a variety of different greetings, you can have a lot of different kinds of cards that are very pretty. Make sure you go to my blog, to sylviestamps.com, to have more details about all this and to subscribe to my weekly tutorial. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.